So to do that, I have already installed the Python in my computer, which is 2.7. So we have to click on start, type Python. Okay, so you can see, student, there are two type of interface, I'm to say, option available here. That is first one thing, ideally GUI, that is graphical user interface. After clicking it, it will open this type of interface in front of you. Okay, this is known as shell or interactive mode. Okay, so now we have to click on file and press new file or Control N, and you can simply type here your code. For example, print hello Python users, and then after that you have to press run button and then press F5 directly. It will ask you to save the file, press OK and put the file name here. Suppose that my file or Python 1. Okay, so here student, you can see this is ideally, it automatically add the file extension .py automatically. If you want, you can use by yourself .py, save it, and after that you can see that output has come hello Python user. So we have done the same thing. Now development environment. Okay, it means to say in integrated development environment. So there are number of the integrated development environment available in websites, so which are as follow. So first one thing, that is PyDev on Eclipse, next PyCharm, then Notepad++, Bluefish, Komodo IDE and Vim. So these are actually provides you the different type of features, I mean to say code, to make the user easy to type the code also. Okay, so in this particular lesson we are going to understand through the normal IDE only. Okay, so here this is IDE. So there are two different mode of that, interactive mode, in which we do not need to write print. Okay, suppose that if I'm going to print hello, so it will directly print hello only. Okay, suppose that 5 minus 2, so output will be 3. So you can see in this particular shell mode or interactive mode, okay, you do not need to use what I mean to say, use the print keyword. You can use the print also, but do not necessary to use the print. Okay, but the one problem with this particular IDE, I am to say shell mode or interactive mode, okay, that the whatever the value you will save inside that, it will never save for further use. Okay, while you are using this particular new file mode, I want to say this particular script mode, this is known as script mode, and where is shell mode or interactive mode. In script mode, suppose that I have saved the file. Okay, as you know, I have just saved the file just before, so we can open that file also, and whatever my work, it will be complete. So here, as I remember, my work is Python 1. Okay, so this is my work, that is further I can use it for further because it is saved in my hard disk. Whereas in script mode, I am to say it is in shell mode or interactive mode, whatever the work I will perform, it will never save in a computer. So these are two type of modes. And now we need to understand what is compiling and interpretation. So compiling and interpreting, so you can see the first figure here, the compilation, execute and output. So Python actually directly interpret into the machine instruction. So you can see that like Java, C++, whatever the source code means the code whatever we are typing for the program. Okay, so in this Java case, hello.java is a code where the code may be exist. Okay, and after compilation it will turn in byte code. Okay, that is executable hello.class, and then output will be generated by the system. Whereas in a Python, whatever the source code, it will directly interpret it and comes, I'm say gives you output. So Python is fast, easy to understand, helpful. Okay, so we are going to perform the hello world program. So simply you have to start the Python again. In GUI mode it will open, that is shell mode. Okay, and then go to file and you have to click new file. Okay, so here I will print simple program for the student, that is hello world. Okay student, and now I have to press F5 button directly, and I will use the Python as 2. I do not need to use use the .py while the time typing of the name. It will directly done by ideally. Save it, and now you can see output has come. Okay,